thank you for tuning in to Ace of Fade's barbering channel on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about the Oil Can Grooming range, and today's topic is the blue collar. Now we've got the pomade, original pomade from Oil Can, and we've also got the beard oil there. This one is a spiced tobacco and mandarin fragrance. You put a bit into your hand, rub it through, and it strengthens, tames and conditions the beard. Rub it into the face rather than the full beard. It'll soften the area for the skin and stop irritation or reduce irritation. Then comb it or brush it through the beard as desired. Then the pomade, which is this one, it is an 80% shine and 80% hold. It is much like your bog standard grease pomades there. It's a heavier weight one than the grease, but it works perfectly for the pompadour styles, the psycho wedges. If you've got quite a short psycho wedge, want a bit of lift and hold to it, gives it a bit of a natural look but a bit of a natural shine as well. It'll make it spike up, make a bit of texture throughout the hair, and it'll also for the sleek for the pompadours as well. Now both of these products are very good within what we use within the shop. The beard oil is an extremely good and extremely sellable product. The jerry can obviously fits nicely in with the motorcycle theme. This is their custom motorcycle done by Oil Can Grooming. It's called the Iron Horse. If you check out one of our other videos on YouTube, we discuss the Iron Horse products on that as well. And the pomade as well, they do a large range of different pastes, pomades, clays, greases. So throughout the other videos we'll show you about them as well. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment down below any questions, and also stay tuned with this video. You'll see an outcome of what the beard oil does and also the end result with the pomade as well. Thank you for watching. Cheers.